Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Is the profile view history not showing or working for you on TikTok? In this video, I'll explain why you can't see profile views on TikTok and how to fix it in a few simple steps. Let's go. The profile views option was introduced in February 2022. It allows you to see who viewed your TikTok profile in the last 30 days. However, both you and the other user need to have the option enabled. If you visit another user's profile and they turn on the option, they can see that you viewed their profile. You can turn your profile view history on or off in your privacy settings or on your profile views page. To do this, open TikTok and go to your profile. Click the line menu icon in the top right to go to your settings. On Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy under the Account tab. Then scroll down to find Profile Views. Tap the toggle icon next to Profile View History to turn on or off. Please note that the setting is off by default. The reason why you don't have access to the Profile Views feature on TikTok is either because you are younger than 16 years old or because you have a large audience of more than 5,000 followers. This is a policy that TikTok has implemented to protect the privacy and safety of its users. But if you're eligible to see your profile views, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. To avoid any issues with the TikTok app, you should always keep it updated to the latest version. You can do this by visiting the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android, and look for any available updates. If you see a new version of the app, download and install it on your device. Sometimes, issues with app features may be due to temporary glitches or bugs. Waiting for the next app update may include fixes for known issues. Another method you can use to fix the issue is to log out of your TikTok account and then log back in. This will refresh your account and update your profile views. On your profile, tap on the three-line menu and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Log Out. You will see a pop-up message asking you to confirm your action. Tap on Log Out again to sign out of your TikTok account. You have successfully logged out of your TikTok account. Now, log back in by inputting your credentials. Once you log back in, go to your profile page again and check your profile views. You should see the updated number of views that your videos have received. You can also try to uninstall the TikTok app from your device and then reinstall it. On your home screen, tap and hold TikTok, select Remove App. Then confirm your action by clicking Delete App from your device. Now go to the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android and reinstall TikTok. Always ensure that you are following TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. If your account has been reported for violating community guidelines, certain features may be restricted. If you still experience issues after following these steps, you can contact TikTok support for more help. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.